Then exhale through your mouth to the count of 2. Do this several times. It radiates out through your skin.
Personally, I have always felt like isolated, and I never really understood why I was feeling isolated. But I talk to God a lot, and just ask Him for like guidance. Those times that I've been isolated, it's really, Him talking to me and guiding me through what I'm asking Him to guide me through. And I just didn't realize how long I had been guided through my entire life. I really get out of my comfort zone when I talk about stuff like this, but God is just showing me to come on YouTube and just talk about stuff like this, because this is a whole different side of like my life, and something that I really would have never thought I would be on YouTube talking about. Just being transparent, I think, really can help build more confidence in you. And yeah, but I speak like this when I feel the need to. As y'all see, a lot of my videos are really just silent, which, you know, is really representing me, like really representing how I'm feeling in those moments. And when God isolates you, like, that's time to learn more about yourself and just talk with God, doing what feels more natural to me instead of just putting stuff out that, you know, I think would get views or anything like that. I just really want to put out the real stuff that, like, you know, I'm going through. And yeah, like, of course, fitness is still part of my life. I'm still going to be posting, you know, fitness videos and all that. But it's just, like I said, I'm going through a new phase right now. And I'm filming it all because that's just, you know, how I'm feeling. Like, God is telling me to just film it all. Like, be you, be natural, be real. And yeah, so I am going to the grocery store right now. I just need to get a few things and just ring up on a few things that I need for the house. So I need to get over though.
Beautiful day in August. I get lost in your frequency when I'm not recording. Like we could do this frequently and end up like the Lawsons. You knows that I got you like you got me every so often. I'm into your passions like what should I invest in? You don't need a camera like to show off your perfection. Standing in a mirror like damn that ass is cuffing in those jeans and I'm genuine. Now I got you blushing. But understand without you girl I'm really nothing. Take away these lyrics and my mic I need your loving. Girl you give me spirit, give me life, give me something more than I'm used to. Like, damn, you snuck a drug in my drink and my two-step. Things that I use less start to become useless. Feel like God introduced us. Still feel that spark even though we using fuse less. Girl, just hear me out on this.
Just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in a melody, melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now. Here's another melody. You can't keep holding on to your past. Yeah.
No. Alright, y'all. We got some lemon pepper wings here. We got some sweet honey, sugar-free sweet honey wings here, and then I'm just reheating the fries that I made, which I just used a regular potato and made those. But yes, hopefully everything's good. The sauce that I used for the wings is this one. It's only 5 calories per serving, so you know, obviously it depends on how much you're using, but it's a lot better than this, which is like regular barbecue sauce. Has 60 calories per serving, and this is just this brand. But yeah, just read your labels and, you know, make some better decisions for your body.